Well, g'day guys, here we are out in the hothouse, the number 1 hothouse, and what we're going to do is pinch out some lateral branches on the tomatoes. Growing exceptionally well. Have a look at that. Compared to when we put them in, I'll see if I can find a photo and put up in the video. So we put them in about 4 weeks ago, and I couldn't be happier with them actually. Anyway, what we're going to do is pinch out some lateral shoots. Now what the laterals do, they grow out sideways. Here's one in here. They come out between the leaf stem and the main stem that goes up. And what they'll do is steal a lot of sugar that the plant produces if you leave them there, and we want all the sugar going into the main stem, because we're getting flowers like there on the plants at the moment, so they'll be producing some very nice fruit. So what we do is go around, and all you've got to do is actually just pinch these laterals out, because as I said, we don't want them on there and stealing any of the energy that the plant's going to produce. Because what we're trying to do is get them to grow upwards onto these platforms here, so we can lay them along and they'll produce the fruit up here. We don't want a monster bush out the side, so the laterals need to come off. A tomato plant can normally double in this size in about 14 days, in about a fortnight. So we're looking pretty good at the moment. We've got no rot or black spot on them. What I try to do is to water them mid-morning, so if any water splash gets on the plant, it'll dry by the time night comes. So that's what we're trying to stop the plants being wet at night and developing black spot. I think at the moment we're doing a pretty good job. So we're getting heaps of flowers on them at the moment, right where we want them, coming off the main stem here. So that's just absolutely perfect. We've got more flowers coming over here and on this side, and these will have to be tied up in the next few days to stop them flopping over. Okay, so there you go. They're the lateral shoots that we've taken off. Left a couple here on the ground. We better pick those up for hygiene purposes. That's gone pretty good. Took all of about 10 minutes. As you can see, they're growing just great. So we'll leave them now. We'll give them another watering tomorrow, and hopefully by this time next week they're just about touching the top of this trellis. Right, well that was just a quick update on what we're doing in the hothouse here. Hopefully it's just a little tip that maybe some people didn't know about pinching out the laterals, but it will make them grow a whole lot better and make them fruit a lot better. Okay, that's about it for today. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already subscribed. We'd love it if you did that, and press the notifications and you'll get all of the videos that we're putting up. Okay, until next time, take it easy, stay safe, keep farming.